Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys phone Bluetooth setting. How can we pair Bluetooth speaker with our Samsung phone? Friends, you have any speaker and friends you want to pair with your Samsung phone. So friends, how can you pair guys your Bluetooth speaker in your Samsung phone? In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. First of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to set sorry friends to pair Bluetooth speaker. Sorry friends, guys click on your phone connection setting guys, tap here. Friends, you will have to click on your phone Bluetooth setting, and when before clicking guys on your Bluetooth setting guys, you will have to on your speaker. So I have on already guys, and guys in your speaker friends you can see guys this Bluetooth icon. So I press on guys your Bluetooth icon, then guys you can pair. Friends, you can see, and we will enable phone Bluetooth with refresh setting. After refresh guys we will have to wait guys for 3 and 4 seconds. Then as you can see your speaker name. So friends, I have guys, you can see this JBL speaker. I will click on my speaker name to pair guys. You can see pairing guys, you can see Bluetooth pairing request pair with the JBL Go speaker. Yes, we want to pair guys, we will click on this pair option, then it will pair in your phone. Friends, you can see connected for calls and media, so when you can pick up call also. So like that guys, you can pair guys your Bluetooth speaker with your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye guys.